What's up guys, it's Wankel Bro here, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the car not moving in Assetto Corsa content manager, so you're moving your steering wheel, but in game it's not moving, so it's not working. And also you're pressing the pedals, but the pedals don't work. Like for example, I can press the accelerator pedal and it's not gonna work. So let's go straight to the point and I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Exit Assetto Corsa, click Steam, go Assetto Corsa, settings, manage, browse local files, you click common, select Assetto Corsa, shift delete, yes. So after you did all of that, you should go to your content manager folder and you should select content manager and you click shift and delete and you click yes. After you did all of that, you should have the install button here. Now I have the play button because I didn't install it because my game is oh, sorry. My game is working perfectly fine, so I did not uninstall the file. But if your game is not working, yeah, you should uninstall the Assetto Corsa folder. Now after you uninstall the Assetto Corsa file, you should click install, and after you install it, you go to the content manager website and you click install and you extract it in the in your content manager folder and everything should work fine. Like, share, subscribe, comment.